Hello guys.
Hello,
Today
Vivi.
we're going to do a little bit shopping in this.
Shopping. And what are you doing with this?
You're getting the snoddy for me. Snoddy.
What is this?
A handy wheel, guys.
Handy Hoover. What's this doing in a superstore?
We just have to buy stuff. This one stuff. You know what is it?
At this time?
Yeah, but it's already open. Look.
Okay.
There's a, yeah. Okay, let's go out, guys. You gotta use mud. It's full of water there. Okay, don't get our hand wrapped. That's why we don't like. Should pick out this one. I'm gonna do video inside. That's it. Wow! Guys, look at how pink. Oh my god, guys. Yay! Guys, you have to get that thing. Guys, should we check the toys? Come on, check. Guys, wow. Should we look at them? Oh, look, Minion! Okay. And then that's coming. Oh my god, this book. Wow. Oh my god, guys. Well, let's go find Ruru.
I thought you were here for your study.
Guys, let's look at who with them. Okay? Come, run, guys! So good with things.
The Hoovers are, I think, a bit far.
Let's look around, guys. So guys, always look around.
I think
No, I don't think so. Let's look at them. Let's look at the machines.
I think the Hoovers. You can ask the lady where the Hoovers are. Go ask.
Where's the who? There's one, the working one. You come with you. Where's the Hoovers? Where's the Hoovers?
Hoover, you have that for everyone.
No, he wants to have a look at the big Henry Hoover.
Big cat.
Yes.
They're not in stock now. So
Out of stock? Oh.
we have to use it this one.
Yeah, you can clean their mess with your one. Yeah? Okay, they're out of stock. We have to come back again. Now let's go find you Snoddy. Yeah? Come on.
Let's go. And guys, let's look at the flashlight. You don't need the one, but okay. You don't. I know what to do work, but this one doesn't. Does this have the battery? No. Right, oh my god. God, there's a handy one. It's so cool, guys. Don't listen.
Oh my God.
I like this one, but I need one first. But I don't need it anymore now. Let's check this big one. Come on, let me check out. No. This is automatic one. Go and look at it. That's number 3, 2, 1, go! Faster!
This side.
Okay, now, smoothie.
Let's go to the kids section. So guys, GB is very cold and he wanted to buy a new Snoddy. So he brought his...
Yeah, can you hear the baby?
Yeah, we can hear the baby. So...
It's right there, guys.
Yeah, the baby's right there. And let's go find your Snoddy. Let's go to the boys section.
Paw Patrol!
Let's go to the boys section and let's find the Snoddy. There they are. Look.
Look, Pikachu!
Which one do you want?
Is this my size?
Oh, this is Onzi. No, I don't think so. You'll be able to manage this. This is the one you wanted, right? This one or football one?
Oh, one's cute one, that one.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh,
let's.
they've got another one. There's more there. You can choose from these. Or these are on.
I like this one, you know.
No. Look.
I want Pikachu.
This one?
Yeah.
This one. I like this one.
Should I take that then?
It's up to you. You choose whichever you want.
Which one you like one, then I will get one.
Let's check the price. This is for 16.
You like it?
This
Which one you like, then I will buy it for you.
for me, I don't want it.
I will buy it. Or you want to, or you like this one or that one?
This one doesn't have a price. Or this is £14. So there's not much big difference in between these.
Oh, that thingy.
Which one do you like?
The football one.
Football one? Okay, fine.
It doesn't have a ticket.
Big size. Oh, la, la. This is 7 to 10. And why this is 12 to 14. And look, I think this is better. Give you like big stuff. So
Yeah. No, doesn't fit the shirt size.
yeah, you can try it. Yes.
That doesn't fit. Guys, it fits. Look, my size. This is always. You have to put a bit like.
Okay. Should we go and pay now?
Yeah, come on. Let's go in the page. Then, oh my God, guys, look at that clothes. It's football.
Nice.
Similar than that one, like this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels fluffy.
Fluffy.
I want to check. Okay.
And we want to check it. Okay, fine. Let's go to the
Wait, let's give Henry a more touch. Henry likes it now. Guys, look, I found a restaurant up there. Look,
You found a restaurant.
up there. Look,
Oh wow, yes.
look, this bin's new bin for. Let's go to the tail, guys. So, guys, yes, Henry is happy now. So Henry is happy now. Should we use that? I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, let's check how much. I like from here. Guys, okay, guys, should we put it like this or that? Guys, look, I got mic. Okay, so guys, I have a thinking. I want to put it like that.
Guys, they have
Look, Henry got your a grass.
Phoebe, what is this?
Henry got your grass.
Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this on top of this?
He got your grass.
Me?
Yeah.
And he got me dressed?
Yeah. You know Henry got my mommy a dress. That's why Henry likes my mommy.
Henry's got underwear. Is this underwear?
Wait,
Underwear.
he's got another clothes for my sister.
Oh, it's for your sister. Henry, what are you doing, Henry? What are you doing, GB Henry?
I don't know what I'm doing. I can get clothes for you guys.
Oh, Henry's getting clothes for mommy and GB's sister.
Yeah? Yeah. Come, let's go and play. Oh no, I got boo-boo. Hello guys, today I'm just going to buy t-shirts. Bye. Yay! Good luck over. Guys, after this,
What are you doing to?
I'm putting a hat in Henry.
Hey,
Henry likes sprinkling.
this is a girl one, this is not boy one.
Henry, he's
Why somebody sees you from the store?
I'm just testing it out, then we can fit. Or if it's then let's buy it. Henry.
Girls, we need to buy a boy one for him.
Oh my god, just boots. But I got boots already. And tomorrow when we clean my bedroom, then we can find them. Oh guys, look. Henry likes it.
Handy Santa.
Henry likes it. Yeah, I like it. Oh no. Henry took it off. Stop naughty Henry. We were just doing video and oh no, me. Let me pick myself up. Yeah. There's two Henrys. Look, I got a sticker right there. And yeah. That's Henry's bit of Henry. You know Henry, he's excited. That's why we bought this t-shirt. He thinks that is his, but it's mine.
Is it?
Yeah. Henry's a bit shy of the neighbors, but I'm not. You know what? We have that neighbor, and they have a dog. Two dogs.
Okay, let's go to the place now.
Okay, come, let's go. Bye, guys. I see you in the tills. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, you want to say bye? Okay. Run and go. So should we just put it there? Let's put it there.
Yeah, we can't buy this.
Yeah.
Come on, let's find.
You know we have a girl.
Let's find.
I know the taste. I found a food instruction. Peace.